You have toenail fungus, cold feet, eczema, varicose veins, arthritis, and stomach acids. Okay, this has stopped since you went on fruits. Okay, I'm going to explain to you all how it works. The toenail fungus is from your adrenals. When your adrenals are weak, you can't break down sugars, and this will attract, will cause fermentation and attract fungus. So the fungus is systemic. It's not on the toes only. Okay, cold feet. Your thyroid is weak. You gotta fix your thyroid. Eczema means your kidneys and your lymphatic system are compromised. The skin is the third kidney. If the kidneys are not working properly, the skin will take the burden. Okay, you want to address this because the skin is not as efficient as the kidneys in eliminating waste, and it will pile up under the skin, and you get skin eruptions. Varicose veins, your parathyroid. Okay, this is why it's weak. Arthritis. This is chronic lymphatic stagnation. Okay, chronic acidosis, again from kidneys and the lymph system not working properly, as well as the adrenals. Okay, so we can address the whole body. As I mentioned, it's acidosis, interstitial lymphatic congestion. I mean, your lymph system is the system that removes waste from your 100 trillion cells. When it cannot remove waste because the kidneys are compromised because of the foods you've been eating in the past, these acids back up and start affecting tissue, organ, and glands. And this, in your case, affects the adrenals, thyroid, lymph, kidneys, parathyroid. Okay, so we need to take care of that. So the first thing we do is change the diet, 100% fruit diet. Okay, without exception. 100% fruit. I would even go on a 20 to 30 day dark grape only diet to start. It's a fantastic way of cleansing the body. We got to address the endocrine glands. This includes the parathyroid, the thyroid, and adrenals. So we use an endocrine tincture, endocrine herbs to address it. And for the arthritis, this chronic acidosis, as I mentioned, lymph stagnation. So we need to use herbs to move the lymph system, helps to get the kidneys to filter. Kidney filtration is crucial here. You got to get kidneys to filter. I can't say this enough. Okay. So what I would use for the eczema to get it moving, you want to also understand the stagnant lymph system. The kidneys not working properly, so we're going to address it all. As I mentioned, 20 to 30 day dark grape only diets is what I would use. Use a Fabulous 5 to target that kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. This is as a base. I would use a parathyroid glandula and pituitary glandula. Use endocrine herbs, kidney tea, kidney flush. Kidneys are crucial. That's why we're using two different kidney herbs here. Okay, a tea and a tincture. You use a bowel strength tincture to clean the bowels. The head sits on the GI tract. When the head is congested with mucus, it means the GI tract is congested as well. So we got to cleanse the gut. The gut has to be cleansed. So we use the bowel strength tincture. Okay, it's very important. Use some enemas. Take steps to cleanse the bowels any way you can. Use the thyroid lift tincture to strengthen the thyroid. For the cold feet, use the lymphatic tincture to help move the lymph system. You got to clean the sinuses. Very important. Okay, because most of the endocrine glands are housed in the head region, and if you have congested sinuses, the acids stick around the burning tissue, organ, and glands. The brain is there, the pituitary gland is there, which controls all the other endocrine glands. So clean the sinuses and clean the gut, as I mentioned. Okay, for the toe, you can temporarily use oregano essential oil. Oregano oil. Okay. Mixed with tea tree oil and coconut oil and apply it on it. You also need antimicrobial herbs. I'll use that 5 to 7 times a day. You need a big bottle until this subsides. It takes a couple of months, few months to get better. Okay.